Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join the Brookhaven RP Discord server. So just load up Discord, and at the very bottom of your server list you will have this add a server icon, plus icon, so just click on it and then have an invite already. You wanna click on join a server. Okay, so this is what you need to type to join the server: discord.gg/wolfpackgames, written like this, wolfpackgames, and then you click on join server. Right here, welcome to Wolfpack Games. Be sure to double check the server. So we're going to read through the rules. It says that we need to complete a few more steps before we can talk, so we're just going to click on complete right here. So you need to read through the rules, these rules right here, so just read through them, and after you have read through them you can click on this tick mark right here and you click on submit. And now, as you can see, it will require us to verify. So we go to the verification channel right here. I have a video on my channel of how you can link Bloxlink to your Roblox account. I'll leave it as a pinned comment. And here in the verify channel, we need to verify with Bloxlink, so just click on verify with Bloxlink. After you have set it up, it already detects my account, so we're just going to click on confirm account. Yep, and it will take us to the Bloxlink website. So confirmation, is this you? It will load up, just give it some time. Okay, we're going to click on confirm. It's going to load. And as you can see, your roles have successfully been given. And now if we go back, as you can see, we can look through all of the channels. Now this is the Discord server for Brookhaven RP, the creators. So yeah, this is how you join it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.